To question number 5th. The length of the diagonal of the rhombus ABCD are 16 centimeter and the 12 centimeter. Find the side and the perimeter of the rhombus. Already we learned the definition of rhombus and the properties of the rhombus that you have to utilize in the example and you have to solve the example. Then what is the definition of rhombus? We says that the definition of rhombus are the quadrilateral with all sides congruent is called as the rhombus. Means if this is the rhombus, the one of the diagonal is 12 centimeter and another diagonal is 16 centimeter. At that time, I will say that the quadrilateral with all sides congruent is called as the rhombus. Then we already saw the properties of the rhombus. Which are the properties of the rhombus? The first property is that the diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other. Second property, the diagonals of the rhombus intersect at right angle. And third property, the diagonal of the rhombus bisect the opposite angle. Step by step, you have to utilize that properties and you have to solve the example. So, what is given? This diagonal is given. If this diagonal AC is equal to, I will say that in quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Diagonal AC is equal to 12 centimeter and diagonal BD is equal to 16 centimeter. If these diagonals are given, only diagonals are given, you have to find out the side of the rhombus. At that time, here you have to utilize the properties. First property, diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other. If this AC is the 12 centimeter, at that time this AM is 6 centimeter and this CM is 6 centimeter. So you have to say that the diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other. Same property you have to utilize. If this diagonal is 16 centimeter, at that time this DM is 8 centimeter and this BM is also 8 centimeter. Means this is the first property. Second property, the diagonals of the rhombus intersect at right angle. So I will say that here 90 degree angle will form. Here 90 degree angle will form. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree. This angle is also 90 degree. And this angle is also 90 degree. If you will take this triangle and if you will utilize the Pythagoras theorem, at that time it is very easy to find out the side DC. So I will consider this triangle DMC. Here side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. I will say that this is the hypotenuse. And if you want to find out hypotenuse, at that time hypotenuse square is equal to 16 square plus 12 square you have to utilize and you have to solve the example. So I only gave the idea about this example, how you have to solve this example. Step by step you have to implement all the properties and you have to solve the example. So here I wrote quadrilateral ABCD is the rhombus, diagonal AC is equal to 12 centimeter, diagonal BD is equal to 16 centimeter. Though the quadrilateral ABCD is the rhombus, first property is that diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect at point M. Here this AC diagonal and BD diagonal intersect at point M. So you have to say that AM is equal to CM is equal to AC upon 2. AM is equal to CM is equal to AC upon 2 is equal to this AC is 12 centimeter. So you have to say that 12 upon 2 is equal to 6 centimeter. This BM is equal to DM. So you have to say that this BM is equal to DM is equal to BD upon 2 is equal to 16 upon 2 is equal to 8 centimeter. And according to that, you have to say that by the property, diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other. If this whole is 12 centimeter, at that time this part is 6 centimeter and this part is 6 centimeter. If this whole is 16 centimeter, At that time, this much part is 8 centimeter and this much part is 8 centimeter. And what is the property? Diagonal of the rhombus bisect each other. Once we will get these sides, at that time you have to utilize the another property. Which property you have to utilize? Second property is that diagonal of the rhombus intersect at right angle. If this diagonal of the rhombus intersect at right angle, at that time this angle is 90 degree. So you have to say that angle DMC is 90 degree. And you have to give the reason that diagonal of the rhombus intersect at right angle, and you have to consider, you have to say that triangle DMC is the right angle triangle. So side opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse. So you have to say that DC square is equal to DM square plus CM square. So DC square is equal to DM square plus CM square. DC square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square. DC square is equal to 8 square 64, 6 square 36. DC square is equal to 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. DC is equal to, if you will remove this square, at that time you have to give the square root. DC is equal to square root of 100. This 100 you will write 10 into 10. If this is the square root, if 2 times multiplication of the 10, 1 time 110 will come outside. Therefore DC is equal to 10 will come. Means if once this DC is equal to 10 will come, then you have to find out the sides and the perimeter of the rhombus. At that time, if this one is 10, at that time you have to say that this one is also 10, this one is also 10, and this one is also 10 centimeter. So what you have to say, if one side is 10 centimeter, at that time all sides are 10 centimeter. I will say that by the definition of the rhombus, the quadrilateral with all sides congruent are called as the rhombus. When DC is equal to 10, at that time AB is equal to BC is equal to DC is equal to AD is equal to 10 centimeter. Means if one side is 10 centimeter, at that time all sides are 10 centimeter, and these sides of each and every sides of the rhombus will come 10 centimeter. And after that you have to say that perimeter of the rhombus. Perimeter of the rhombus. Perimeter means sum of all sides. Perimeter of the rhombus is equal to AB plus BC plus DC plus AD, sum of all sides. Otherwise you have to utilize the formula 4 into side. So I will say that AB is 10, BC is 10, DC is 10, AD is 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 40 centimeter. And by this way you have to say that perimeter of the rhombus is 40 centimeter. Perimeter of the rhombus is 40 centimeter and each side is 10 centimeter. In this way you have to utilize the property and you have to solve the example. Write this example properly in the classwork notebook. Draw the diagram, give the identical mark, and do all these things properly. Thank you.